Okay, so NIO stock looks impressive as it is showing a very strong bullish reaction after a false breakout of the previous support line. A very tricky move if you ask me. So, okay, NIO is bullish right now, right? Well, it is rising, but it is still in a bear trend. We haven't broken through its key resistance levels yet, and if that doesn't happen, NIO will probably fall to much lower levels. So in this video, I will update my thoughts on NIO stock. Let's start our analysis. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. So first, let's look at the daily chart over here. In the daily chart, it is quite important to see such reaction because it was a false breakout. What do you mean with a false breakout, Nathan? Well, we see a bearish candlestick over here closing, losing the 7.60, closing below this support line over here. And then in the next day, we see a very strong bullish candlestick pattern, nearly rejecting completely the previous bearish one, closing above the 7.60 again. So this is a classic false breakout and potentially a bear trap, indicating that yes, NIO could rise to higher levels at least in the midterm, in the short/midterm. And this is important because although we see this rally over here occurring right now, the trend has yet to reverse. We don't see a bullish reversal structure yet. Yes, this is a bottom signal, which was confirmed today, but we don't see a bullish reversal structure. A bottom signal is going to just indicate a possible pullback to the next resistance level, which in this case over here is the 21 EMA in the daily chart. Because as far as I know, since the trend is still bearish on NIO stock, we are doing lower highs, lower lows, right? NIO could just retest the EMA again just to do this, okay? Resuming the bearish sentiment, and I just wanted to see lower levels, like, let me see, just to retest the next support level at $5.70 over here. This is a classic bearish pivot point. If NIO actually finds a top level at the EMA or even at the $8.83, then okay, probably NIO is going to trigger a sharper correction. It is going to resume the bear trend in the weekly chart as well. And then okay, 7.70, $5.70, that's our next technical support level on NIO stock. And this is it, okay? We gotta see crystal clear bullish reversal pattern in the daily chart in order to see this bearish scenario getting frustrated. And again, what do I mean with bullish reversal structure? We gotta see higher highs, higher lows, right? We gotta see this pattern over here. If we do see this pattern, then okay, I believe NIO is going to reverse the trend, and we are going to at least fill this gap around $9.45 over here, okay? So this is very important. In order for NIO to materialize a bullish thesis, we gotta see a bullish reversal pattern. Do we see a bullish reversal right now? No. Do we see a bottom signal? Yes. What this means? A bullish rally to the next resistance level, and this is it. This is all that I know so far. I can't predict the future. I don't need to predict the future in order to trade well. But all that I know is that if we see a top signal in this area over here, it is going to be a very dangerous signal for NIO. And of course, if you want to keep in touch with exclusive analysis, join the top 5% community. The link to my website is in the description of this video. A community of consistent swing traders. I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer. Now, back to NIO's chart over here in the weekly chart. It feels like we are trying to do a hammer candlestick pattern. Let me show you guys. This candlestick pattern over here this week is a hammer. And if we actually close above the previous support level around $8 over here, that's going to be another promising signal that yes, NIO is about to trigger a rally. It is already triggering a rally over here, but we could go even further, trying to seek higher levels. Again, at least to its next resistance levels in the midterm in the daily chart around $8.83. However, if we break this area, if the rally persists, NIO could easily retest the EMA in the weekly chart over here near the $10. That's another real possibility. So it all depends, in the end, it all depends on how NIO is going to react around this area over here, right? Because this area is a dual resistance level for NIO, made by the 21 EMA and made by the $8.83, which was the previous neckline of this head and shoulders chart pattern, right? That triggered this intense bearish leg over here. Now we see some chance to recover. Okay, and maybe we are going to recover indeed. However, we still have to break more important resistance levels, especially in the 1 hour chart. We gotta see NIO triggering a higher high, higher low as well, because so far, although NIO is breaking the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart over here, along with this purple trend line, NIO has yet to do bullish pivot points, right? So if we see a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart, it is going to be just another confirmation signal that NIO is going to fly to higher levels, trying to retest its next resistance area in the daily chart as well. Oh, and before I forget, remember to follow me on Instagram. Yes, I am on Instagram right now. I'm posting very interesting exclusive stuff over there. I think you guys are going to appreciate my insights on Instagram, so follow me there. Now, back to NIO's chart. In the weekly chart over here, since we lost the $9.40, we have been doing nothing but showing weakness signs over here, right? The 9.40 was a previous gap over here, right? From July 2020. Wow, that was a very long time ago. So we filled this gap recently this year, and right now we are just losing this support line. And since we are still inside this descending channel, in theory, yes, NIO is going to retest lower support levels like the 5.70. We just don't know if NIO is going to trigger a sharper rally in the midterm before that or not. Either way, I'm gonna keep you guys updated in this channel, so if you're still not my subscriber, consider subscribing to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe, my dear friends. Bye bye.